in 15 minutes.
Was talking about Anita on the show and what it is all about. The show is all about and what she need to do. And also about music.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. We're gone. Bless up first and foremost. A Wull on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if you're new over here. Yes, so my audience, we are gonna debate about the description of the video. You see me? Yeah, man, and you don't know, Lava did for end up a court where him did forget him sentence or whatever the case might be. You see me? But here goes everything, you know the vibes, cause the judge strict in that case. I make you see for yourself, you see me?
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
No? Oh.
That me a talk about.
What you talking about? It's lava place.
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
No? Oh.
That me a talk about.
What you talking about? It's lava place.
Good afternoon, sir.
Judge and jury. Who is fighting who and who cases?
I've pretty done one of my liar. Trip is also one of my liar, but she didn't turn up. So I have to send for you.
So, basically, you are telling me that you are incarcerated.
Not yet. There's in a holding cell.
Because I see that you have put it on the case and your case didn't go nowhere. Why are you laughing, young man? Yo! I see that you have
not laughing.
put it on the case and the case didn't move.
She try your best.
Huh?
She try your best.
So what I'm trying to say to you right now, on January the 25th, 11:15 p.m. Where were you?
At home.
What were you doing? What were your applications?
I was like on my laptop.
You was alive.
Okay, I was alive.
No, you was alive.
No, the 25th.
Yes.
When is the 25th? When
That was Monday.
Monday was the 25th? Okay, yeah, I was alive. If Monday was the 25th, sorry.
Excuse me.
No, if Monday was the 25th, I was on live, sorry.
Okay. So you was alive. 11:15, around 11:16.
Yes.
You was alive doing what?
Like I normally do, entertain people.
Entertain people. And around approximately that time, and around that time, no way did it. Hello.
At what time?
Yes, okay.
See it there.
Yeah.
See it. Nikki Black said objection.
Nikki Black say objection.
Yeah.
Runner, I can't be talking in the court and back and forth. Thank you. So, Lava burns them records. The people them want to know what is really going on.
In what way?
We've seen a lot of action taking places.
And what kind of action is that, sir?
The action that is speak for itself.
Like?
The people and the jury want to know that if you have an interference with Mrs. DJ Lena Mosa.
No, sir.
I see that Lava.
Yes, sir.
Did Amari send you a video and you didn't reply to it in any form of way?
What kind of video?
Excuse me?
What kind of video?
The other day you show your phone on the platform, big platform. Okay?
Okay.
And when you show your platform, I see that it's like Amari hold her throat and you were squeezing it.
And you saw me squeezing a Mario throat.
No, in the video, you are participating on your live. You say I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Oh yeah,
Yes.
Eh?
Ramesh, the lawyer need to be a walker, that attacker.
I used to be a watcher, not a blood clot manager. You're on sorry that I burst out in court like that, but I can't, audience. Let me tell you this. You have people going inside the courtroom who's going to burst out in any form of way. But remember that we have police in here to take a note of the courthouse because they're being so disrespectful.
That's true.
You understand me, Lava?
That's true.
I think that Amari got a lot of feelings from you because she over her life cussing and disrespecting everybody over here. We have several evidence to prove that you show her some type of affections to let she have feelings for you. Front was a person, okay? What was a person that was named Ramesh? So if their life on front was a person, are you? So, what are you saying?
She didn't send me any form of sexual picture or video.
Let me ask you something.
Okay.
Last week, you was on live approximately time, this time with Sensia, right?
Right.
And did you see Ramesh comment in the comment section?
Yes.
Did Ramesh comment more than 15 times?
Yes.
When Sensia get off the live, did Ramesh join back the live?
No.
Why Ramesh didn't join live?
I don't know. Probably he's tired. Probably his phone died. I don't know. Probably get a phone call.
In the end of the live, did you see the last comment that Ramesh put?
No.
When Sensia said happy belated birthday, Lava.
Okay. I didn't see his comment.
Ramesh
Right.
said you've been dead.
Why would he say that?
I don't know. But let me ask you something right now, Lava. Is Pretty that is a Gideon lesbian? Is Pretty Dan is a Gideon lesbian?
I don't know.
Lava.
Yes.
Lava, I'm gonna ask you one more time.
I don't know if she's a Gideon
Is she
lesbian.
a Gideon?
I don't know if she's a Gideon. Sometimes I bring up, but I don't know if she's a Gideon.
Huh?
Sometimes I bring in and out, but I don't know if you call it Gideon. I don't
Do
know.
you tell the truth but nothing but the truth and the only truth, swear to God love, God love?
Yes.
Pretty that you man sometime.
Yes.
Let me rephrase the question. Do you think pretty that you man sometime?
Yes, Yana.
Is pretty that inside the courthouse right now?
I don't know.
Lava.
Yes.
Why you think pretty that want a man or need a man? If she ever send you or step to you in no formal way or introduce herself?
Never.
Let me ask you one more something now. I want you to answer this question. You ever send pretty gun like, hey, like a text we say, hey,
No.
remember good.
Never.
When you are greeting pretty gun, how you greet pretty gun?
You're my dog, so I go on with.
In your mind, pretty gun look like a dupes?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
We need to have Ling Ling in the courthouse right now.
I know it's after hours, probably Ling Ling gone to her bed.
We need to have Ling Ling in the courthouse right now.
It's
Lava,
yeah.
lava. Pretty damn name on this or something.
That's what I'm fucking man. That's what I'm fucking man. I'll be laugh here.
Let me add Nicky Blacks and call it back.
Yeah, man.
I want to do this.
This is it. A 7 p.m. phone call, right?
I don't know what. Yeah.
That's what your judge just said.
Right.
You know, I can transpire in 15 minutes.
Repeat it again.
A lot can transpire in 15 minutes. Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
A lot can transpire in 15 minutes. So, 15 minutes, okay, that's a lot. So basically, what were you telling this woman in 15 minutes?
Was talking about Anita on the show and what it is all about. The show is all about and what she need to do. And also about music.
Sir, it takes 15 minutes just to tell her that? No, this is more than
No.
You were feeding this lady on. And you talked to her once on a video call for 2 minutes. You know what one video call for 2 minutes can do? She can open up her legs. She can show you her uzi.
Okay, I know about that.
One video phone call for 2 minutes. You know what can transpire in 2 minutes?
I know that, but none of that happened.
Hold on, sir. You're leading her on.
Oh, I'm leading her on and we don't having a conversation about no formal sex and relationship or nothing.
You have this lady thinking in her head that you and her are together. Basically, the only thing I can come up with is you guys are having phone sex. So within her head, her and Lava is having a relationship. You understand?
No, but Your Honor, I'm asking a question. How is it she gonna think that way and we never have no formal conversation about no formal sex or nothing?
That's what you're saying. That is what you're saying, sir. I'm not calling you a liar, but I'm just going off what your lawyer said. The proof is right here. A lot can transpire in 15 minutes, young man. And the way I'm gathering everything, you let her on. You understand? You let her on.
How is it?
Video call.
Let her on.
Hold on.
Yeah.
7 minutes. 7 minutes. On a converse to her, just on a regular call. 7 minutes. What, 3 times a day? Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays?
That's before the show.
It don't matter. So that's before the show. So you're basically what I'm saying. You're buttering her up. You hear what you just said? You're digging yourself deeper and deeper, sir. That's before your show. You call her for 15 minutes before your show. Right?
That's not 15 minutes before the show.
That's
7
what
o'clock.
you're judged. That's what you're
No, she said 7 o'clock. She said 7. Your Honor, she said 7.
7 p.m. for 15 minutes.
You said
7
15 minutes before, yeah, but you said 15 minutes before the show.
You said you spoke to her before the show. You said that's before the show.
Yeah, the 7. 7, the show started at 9.
And you spoke to her at 7 p.m.
Right.
A 15-minute call. Sir, make it make sense.
Your Honor, I spoke to her on WhatsApp. So they call in and out and all those stuff.
Oh, okay. That's your story? You're sticking to it, right?
Yes, that's the truth.
Okay, so what I'm gathering, you're leading her up. You're leading her on, sorry. Wrong words. You're leading her on. That's what I'm gathering. Basically, what I'm gathering, 7 p.m., okay? 7 p.m., your show starts at 9 p.m. So you're
Right.
buttering her up to come on your show. Because
Yeah,
you,
but we didn't
know-
talk about nothing else. We
you
talk
know
about
what takes place on your platform. You know the type of judgment that takes place on your platform. And that's what, I don't know what it does for you. I don't know if you get a hard-on from it. I don't know. I don't know if to make your head get any bigger. I don't know what it do to you. But when that lady come over here, she have it in her mind, in her little mind, her shallow mind, that you and her are together. These 15 minutes conversation is what's effing you up right now. You understand what I'm saying?
yes, Your Honor, but why this 15 minutes conversation messing me up and we don't talk about nothing personal? We're going to talk about come on the show and music.
That's what you're saying. That's what you're saying. You understand?
Okay.
I already got a ruling, and I see that the lady, she's here, and the psychiatrist already diagnosed her. You understand? So, lady, are you gonna add her tonight on your live, or it's not?
Yeah. You just can talk.
She has been diagnosed, but we're not going to put that out there yet. I want to hear what your lawyer have to say, so your lawyer can continue to sink you deeper and deeper. Your lawyer is digging a grave for you. Because I wouldn't have known that you were talking to her at 7 p.m. for 15 minutes. I wouldn't have known that you were on a FaceTime call with her for 2 minutes. I wouldn't have known that. Your counsel let me know that.
All right, thanks.